this video, I will be creating this beautiful rainbow eye makeup look, so keep watching.
So start off by filling in your brows using a dip brow pomade, or you can also use an eyebrow pencil to do the same. Conceal the area below and above your eyebrows to make them look more defined. Then using a small sponge, blend the concealer. Take a yellow eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corners of your eyes. Now take a blue shade and apply it on your eyelid. Now take a green shade and apply it in between blue and yellow to blend them together. Now take a purple shade and apply it on the outer corner of your eye to blend it with the blue shade. Now repeat the same steps for the lower lash line. Now for the other eye look, take an orange shade and blend it with the yellow. Then using a red shade, blend it with the orange. Now using this magenta shade in the outer corners to finish off this look. Now apply a black eyeliner. Apply your falsies with the help of an eyelash glue. Now apply mascara to finish off this eye look. For the face, use a rose gold oil and massage it gently all over your face to keep it moisturized. Use a primer before applying your foundation to give a smooth base for your foundation. Apply foundation all over your face and blend it out using a dampened sponge. Use a peach corrector to correct any dark spots. Take a cream contour and apply it to the areas you want to contour. I like to contour my nose to give it a more defined look. Use the concealer to the areas you want to highlight on your face. Blend it using a dampened beauty blender. Set the concealer using a powder to avoid any creasing. Apply blush to the apple of your cheeks to add more life to your face. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face like nose, cheeks, forehead, and your chin. Use a nude lip liner to outline your lips to give them a fuller look. Now apply a nude lip shade to finish off this look. Last but not the least, apply a makeup fixing spray to make your makeup stay for long. Here's the finished look. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.